RD690S tandem axle roll off. We're gonna go to the back real quick. Let Chuck lift it up for you. Body and cab on this side's pretty clean as we take a peek for you. Go ahead, Chuck, lift her up. Sorry. Hang tight here for a second. We're gonna show you the lift. Camelback rear for you, nice heavy suspension. Locks work on. It does have a power divider in the rear. Let's take a quick walk around and see what's going on. All the lights are intact. Both plastic wheel covers are intact for you. Nice meaty tires on the back. There is an AMI motor underneath the hood. Mack 6-speed behind it for you, or Mack transmission set up as a 6-speed. Levers on the outside and the inside. Nice air ride seat for you. Pretty well taken care of cab. We got 3 marker lights out on it. The headlights don't seem to be working for you. ABS lights not coming on. Washers, wipers, blower are good. City horn doesn't beep. The front end tie rods are failing. They're in poor shape for you. 2004 RD Mack for you. 60,000 pound rears, outside rails. 1 boom cylinder, seeps a little bit of oil, and the tarper's working pretty good for you. Pretty nice piece right here at TRO & Sons as we head into December and we get ready for the big man to arrive in his big red sleigh. This is going to be your December truck of the week.